Still on the outbreak of cholera, the Oyo State Government has announced that it has identified 7 suspected cases in the state. Commissioner for Health, Oluwaserimi Ajetunmobi, addressed journalists in Ibadan. Senior reporter Oyo has details.
Nigeria is currently experiencing cholera outbreak, with the Nigeria Center for Disease Control and Prevention reporting over 1,528 suspected cases in 31 states. The main cause of the outbreak has been linked to contaminated water and poor sanitation, made worse by the rainy season, which can spread the disease through flooding and unsafe water sources. Following this development, Oyo State Government says it has identified some suspected cases and they are under observation. The ministry also adds that it has implemented measures to contain the outbreak and prevent further spread.
So far, so good. God has blessed us in Oyo State. I told you before that before now, we have started preparing for this kind of emergency preparedness. And so far, so good. We have 7 suspected cases in Oyo State as at this morning. And out of these 7 suspected cases, 5 have been declared negative. We are awaiting the culture of 2 other suspects. As I'm talking to you, we don't have any positive case of cholera.
Regarding the ongoing strike by the health workers in Oyo State, the commissioner assured that Governor Makinde is actively working to address the workers' demands and resolve the issue.
But it's just to tell you that before now, even before they declare their strike, the governor, the executive governor of Oyo State, Engineer Makinde, has tried his possible best to make sure that he puts might on the faces of workers. The salary is not being denied, but it's just that they want an increase. And part of this increase, everything has to be on deck because, just as you know now, the nurses are on strike too. And they are coming on strike. They cannot do for a part and neglect the other. Everything has to be taken together so that, because if you do for a part and neglect the other, it's a vicious cycle. Other 2 will come and they say they are going on strike then. So he's trying his possible effort to make sure that everybody is happy.
The Oyo State Government's move to contain the cholera outbreak and end the health workers' strike in the state is a major move towards ensuring that normalcy is maintained in the state health sector. Oyo, TVC News, Ibadan.